Hi all, this is Dr. Cahill, and I'm going to show you how to do a grammar and style check using Microsoft Word. This is a more thorough grammar check, and it will help find some errors, not all. So you are still responsible for finding the errors in your paper. So your paper is already set up. You have Times New Roman, font size 12, and over here each of these says add, and this is you have it set for double spacing or 2. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is go to File. When you open File, you're going to go to Options. In Options, you are going to select Proofing. And instead of Grammar Only down here, you're going to choose Grammar and Style. And you're going to open the settings. You can also check the readability statistics. What they do is show you about what reading level you're writing at. So if it says 9.0, it means you're writing at 9th grade level. 9.5, you're halfway through the 9th grade year. 14.0 would be sophomore level. So let's check the settings here. And over here, you're going to start with comma required before last item in the list. Yeah, that's always in MLA format, and in APA format, this is a requirement. Punctuation required with quotes. Yes, they are required, and they are inside the quotation marks. Spaces required between sentences. This is 1 in MLA, so always inside and 1 are the options. Here, you want it to check for fragments and run-ons. You want it to check for negation. And you want to check for subject-verb agreement. This means that your grammar is going to do a thorough check. What it does not check for is second person. If I'm not mistaken, first person is listed here, down here under style, but second person is not. And you shouldn't use cliches, contractions, fragments, gender-specific words, hyphenated words, misused words, blah, blah, blah. And here you see use of first person, you have to check that. So under normal circumstances, you do not use first person in academic writing. Second person is not an option here, but you shouldn't use that either. Second person includes you, yours, yourself, etc. So once you have selected all of these in grammar and style, you click OK, and then you click OK down here. You can then recheck your paper. So this is the best way to use Microsoft Word to check your grammar and style. I hope this helps you. Take care.